Hey guys, welcome to King's RC. Our next project, working on the SCX24 Deadbolt. And what we're gonna do, FPV. So we're gonna try and do some FPV on this bad boy. I've never done it before, and I've done a bit of research, and all you need is pretty simple. A camera, and another piece, we need a transmitter. So the way it works, camera connects to the transmitter, and the transmitter then connects to your receiver, and the receiver will connect to your phone, and your phone will then go inside this thing and you watch it through there. So I'm going to try and hook this up and get it working, and I'll show you guys how it goes. Alright, so I've taken everything out the packet. The camera, that's all it comes. The transmitter comes with this cord here and this cord, which is the battery. So what I have to do is I just have to connect these three to the camera, and that should be all ready to go. The receiver has two antennas, connects here like that, and two cords, one for USB-C and one for just the normal USB. Alright guys, we've pretty much got everything set up now. The receiver looks a little bit too big for this car. It's got this massive antenna sticking up the top here, but it sort of rolls side to side, so if I did roll it, it'll just kind of fold back like that, and don't look like it's gonna really damage it unless I drop it off a cliff or something. Camera looks pretty good. All I had to do was basically make a Y lead for the power. So that one there goes into the battery, this one goes to the receiver, and the other one goes to the transmitter. The receiver here, I've just double-sided taped it to the side of this goggle. And stay tuned, I'll get this up and running and show you guys a running video. Alright guys, so we've got the receiver connected to the phone now. All you got to do is download an app called Go FPV, and once you've downloaded the app, you open it up and you press the little play button there, and it should straight away detect your receiver, and you press OK, and boom, there's some FPV. Now in this app, what you can actually do is, so this is in goggle mode, you just go to single mode. Quality is not the best, but this is a cheap setup, so works pretty good for what it is. So you can drive it around. This is the man cave right here. Whoop. So it's a bit hard to do FPV, hold the camera in one hand and control the car in the other. So going full speed out there. Go out into the yard. So this is like outside now. Kind of, it's glitching a little bit, but still good. That light on the Deadbolt's actually pretty good. So it's completely pitch black outside. You may not know what's going on, but I know my backyard, so kind of know where I am right now. So that's what it looks like when it's all bumpy. Going back in the man cave. Actually, we might be able to go over this. Oh, just gotta take the right angle. There we go. Oh. Ah, there we go. All right. So there you go, guys. Some FPV on the SCX24 Deadbolt. You can do this to any of your car. I'll probably try one of these on my 110 and take it out on the trail and see how it goes. Yeah, these will have a fair bit of a long range compared to, you know, if you go to buy one of those Kmart $20 toys with FPV or something. It is still hobby grade stuff. Yeah, the receiver is a little bit too big, so probably be out hunting for a smaller one. If you know FPV and you got one that you can recommend, please comment it down below and I'll go check it out. But yeah, so far I'm happy with this. If you guys want to do the same setup, hit me up, leave a comment, and I'll try and answer as much as I can. And yeah, keep an eye out on some more builds coming up on my channel. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment, and thanks for watching.